Hello guys, welcome back to Rocking Rob. This is Chef Robin Rocky Fernandez from Sydney, Nova Scotia. In this festive season, I am going to show you how to make my version of rich, aromatic and delicious butter chicken. Let's gather some ingredients. 2 bay leaves, 10 pieces of cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 6 pieces of cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. For the ground spices, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of tandoori spices, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Four small onions sliced, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 3 big tomatoes sliced, 5 sprigs of fresh coriander leaves chopped, 1 cup of whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, salt as required. One kilogram of baked chicken tikka. Please refer my previous video for this recipe. Add the ghee to the medium heated pan. Then add the whole garam masala. Then add the onions. Add some salt, that will make the onions cook faster. Saute well. When the onions are wet, add the ginger garlic paste. the onions are cooked enough, now we can add the ground spices and mix well. Add the tomatoes. Place these cooked ingredients into a mixer grinder and make a paste. Place these pasted ingredients into a heated pot. Then add the baked chicken tikka and mix thoroughly. Then add the whipping cream. Add the chopped fresh coriander leaves. Add more salt if required. Let it simmer it into a rich consistency. Now the delicious butter chicken is ready to serve. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and share it. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching Rocking Rock.